All right, y'all, Philly D is back. So I just got this guy in the mail. It's a SawZall. It's a Skil. If anybody know about this brand, they know they've been doing this for a long time. And I always wanted a Skil. Y'all know all my electric stuff is Ingersoll. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know all my stuff is Ingersoll. A lot of my shit is at work, but we ain't gonna go there right now. But finally got one, and I needed an electric saw. I already got a corded one. Here she goes, and she's a beast. How do you say that? Hitachi or something like that. But I need a cordless one because I'll be out. I'll be out in the yard working and shit. So I need a cordless one. I actually bought a Craftsman. I mean, not a Craftsman, a Milwaukee joint too. It's on the way. But I was like, you know what? I need to double up. So I got this guy, and it wasn't bad. It was like 170 or 150 for the tool and the battery. So I was just opening it, and I was like, you know what? Let me just shoot the video and just show these guys what it is. We on top of the Lexus right now. I kind of feel like I'm disrespecting it. I'm not doing any work to it. It's just parked in here because I didn't feel like getting out my car outside. I felt like pulling inside, getting out my car. So this is the, I guess this is the plug up, and then this is the beast here. Let's get him out. Got him out. Look at that. Oh man, that is sexy right there. Look at that, y'all. Skil. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Well, not particularly this tool, but the brand. I've just been wanting to try them out for a long time. So yeah, I got it specifically to cut branches and trees and shit. So he's gonna come over here. He's gonna sit over here with the rest of the lawn mowing stuff. We're gonna put him right down here, and he's gonna plug up in one of those spots, and we're gonna get it charged up. Oh man, I don't have nowhere to plug it up. Hold on. Kind of wanted to show you guys at least what it looks like charged up. Let's turn on some electric here. There she is. Got it. All right. Yeah, y'all, I'm pretty excited about this, man, to be honest with you. I always wanted a Skil. I'm not even sure how this shit works. It's just a battery. I guess this is the, what the fuck? I guess this is the base. Let's see if this will work out the box. Oh no. There's no, guys, I literally just took it out of the bag, and here you go. Oh, there you go. All right, so that's the release right here, and I guess this is actually like a, I don't know what that's for, but it works. All right, and it has a light on it and everything. So I didn't want to get into too much detail. I just wanted to show you guys because I was kind of excited. The next time you see this, I'll probably be in the yard using it, and I'll probably bring you guys along. So there you have it. It's the Skil. I'm assuming that's the part number 2758783. 20 volts, brushless. It is brushless now. I was looking at the Milwaukee, DeWalt. They was upwards of $200, and I was like, I really ain't trying to spend that much, man. Plus I got the cheaper Milwaukee. I didn't go with the brushless one, but you know, it's just stuff to fuck with the yard, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to get all that serious. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like the little review, if you guys like the tool, comment below, let me know, man. And I would like to see y'all in the next one. Subscribe, stay tuned, catch y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, so a little bit of bonus footage. I should have already told y'all, but this thing here is actually to like charge something. So if you got one of those little USB chargers or something, you can hook it up to this, right to this port. and this just connects to the battery itself like that. So now this thing is powered up via this battery, and you can charge, you know, your cell phone, your iPads, you know, whatever you want to charge up, just like this. So that's kind of cool. Figured I'll let y'all know how that works. So there you go guys. Catch you on the next one.